Hey everyone, welcome back to the 3LS channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of FPV drones. I'm taking the plunge with my brand new DJI Avata2. Check out my last video with the unboxing and first impressions in the link above. And guess what? This is my absolute first time flying an FPV drone. So if you're thinking about getting one of these but are a bit nervous about the learning curve, this video is for you. Let's explore together the excitement of a true immersive flying experience. Ditch the fear and embrace the thrill. Join me as I navigate the challenges and triumphs of a first-time FPV pilot. Let's fly.
Ready for another try.